Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, guys. Now we are going to ask your opinion and then also your comprehension about our subject here. Our subject title is about qualitative and what is it?
Quantitative learning.
Quantitative.
And quantitative research
Research method.
Yeah. After this one, I'm gonna give you a chance to talk and then to give us your perspective about this learning, about the learning material that we already learned. Yeah. And without wasting time, now let's start with the first here. We will have Hafizh Agarit. Hafizh Agarit here will try to give us his perspective or his comprehension about this subject. Okay, Muhammad Hafizh Agarit, time is yours. Come on.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Sofyan, for the time given for me. All right, so about this subject, qualitative and quantitative research methodology. About this, we have to know what research is. So, research is a process of acquiring new knowledge using a scientific process. Now, this process can be either you can use qualitative one or you can use quantitative one. And then there's also many research beyond those two, such as a mixed method, AR or action research, and then R&D, or we can say research and development. Now, the way you're going to do your research is you can switch yourself what's the best way to use your research. I mean, if you are facing the data such as you use number in your research, you can use a quantitative one using all that kind of instruments. And then if you are prefer to like what researching some phenomenon or things like you have to interview someone or find any documentation, you can use a qualitative one. So in that way, you don't have to face with numbers and anything. I think that's it.
That's all, Hafiz?
That's all. Yes, that's
okay.
it.
Thank you very much for your explanation about the comprehension for this subject. And then now I would like to ask each of you, starting from Nisrina, and then next will be Alifia, and Chandra, Lela, and then Diah. From Hafiz's explanation, his comprehension about this subject, can you give us here your, what is it, you respond, your comment, or your opinion about his comprehension? Come on, Nisrina, you go first, please.
So my opinion about Hafiz's explanation is pretty much the same with my perception, because I think that's just the way it is. You have qualitative, quantitative.
Okay.
Yes.
That's all, Nisrina?
Yes. I don't know.
Okay.
If you ask me about Hafizh. Yeah.
Thank you, Nisrina. If you're going to talk and then you have similar kind of opinion or perspective with Hafizh, it's mean that you don't have your original point of view about the subject, right? Maybe you can try to break down something that relevant with your comprehension. Yeah. Okay, Nisrina. Nisrina. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Next one, let's go to Nur Alifia. And then, what about your opinion, Alifia?
My opinion.
Yep.
I think Hafiz right that if we didn't like to face on like number, yeah, especially for me, I didn't like to face with number or graphic like that. I will choose the other one. That is, I will choose qualitative method. That because that method is face to describe something or give descriptions of something that you wanna do research.
Thank you. So interesting perspective from Nur Alifia. In choosing the type of research here, his intention based on like and dislike. Yeah? Okay, I like numbers, I'm gonna do quantitative. I don't like number, I'm gonna do qualitative.
Yes.
That wasn't how the research worked. Okay, Nur Alifia. Thank you. Next one, Chandra, come on. I'm waiting you respond, you command for Hafizh comprehension here, but this subject, please.
Okay, then, in my opinion, in Hafiz's perspective, it's almost near of my opinion, but I have my own opinion in qualitative and quantitative research. I'm more suggesting using a quantitative because it's using a numeric and some pattern to make the research more forget the language.
And
And
that's enough, Chandra. What else?
sorry, sir. May I ask a permission for speaking in Indonesian?
No. You don't use that one.
Okay, then.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah, that's all. I forget. Sorry, I forget the word.
Thank you, Chandra, for your opinion. And then now let's go to Lela. Lela, you have any other opinion? If you don't have any opinion, I'm gonna skip to we're gonna go to the next one. Lela, do you have any opinion here or have his comprehension about this subject?
I think Hafiz's explanation is comprehension explanation, and maybe almost same with my opinion. Maybe this.
Okay. So thank you. Your opinion is almost the same with his opinion. Thank you.
Mantap, Lela, mantap.
Okay. Next one, Diah. Diah, come on.
If on my
Okay.
yes, sir.
Come on.
On my best opinion,
Okay. Wow. What's wrong with your connection?
Easier for yang data yang nyata gitu.
No, you're talking in slow. What else? Okay, Diah, thank you. That's enough from you, Diah.
Qualitative.
Yeah, that's enough. That's enough, Diah, because your connection here, you have a poor connection, I guess, yeah. Thank you very much, Diah. Maybe after this one, you can type your opinion, okay, using the chat below, okay. Next, after Hafizh, yeah, after Hafizh now, we'll have Nisrina. Nisrina, come on, you better give us an interesting kind of comprehension about this subject, please. Okay, time is yours, Nisrina.
So, okay, what I know about Q&Q research method is that we actually have three kind of that research method. The first one is qualitative, and mixed method. Quantitative is more like, expressed in numbers, graphics, more like math, statistical analysis, something. While the qualitative is more like focuses on expressing ideas, formulating theories. You seek for the experience and thoughts about the topic. And in qualitative, the data collected is used by survey, experiments, observations, while qualitative is interviews and interviews and focus group. For the mixed method, though, I think that this is more like, you know, the better research method that we can use, because this is the combination of quantitative and qualitative, so we can get the in-depth result if we use this mixed method. I think that's all.
That's all. So you are a typical of researcher that going to conduct a mixed method research then, because you're asking in that kind of result. Really, Nisrina?
Not really. I'm more qualitative person because I don't like numbers and I don't like counting and math, statistical things.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much, Nisrina. And then now let's go to Hafizh. Hafizh Agarit, come on.
Yes.
I'm not gonna ask you to give a comment, but I'm gonna ask you to give your critiques on Nisrina's opinion. Come on.
All right.
Go on.
So about the critics. So you said that you don't like numbers, so you use a qualitative one. But in my mind, whether we don't use or whether we use numbers, but in the end, you still have to work on numbers, whether you are using qualitative or quantitative one. That's I think that's how research works. Everything is about numbers on research. So I mean, no matter how much you hate numbers, how much you love qualitative, or how much you hate qualitative one, numbers is always on your face. Numbers is always your problem. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Hafizh. That was a really hard strike, I guess. Do you have any punchback for him, Nisrina?
Actually, that I know is when you want to research something, it depends on what kind of research problem that you want to have a result, right?
Okay. Yeah.
If you want to test something, you will use quantitative. While if you want to understand more about the topics or thoughts, experiences about something, you will use qualitative. So it actually depends, but I prefer more like qualitative because you can express more in words. It's not limited only in numbers.
Good point, I guess, Nisrina. Okay, and then now let's go to another strike from Chandra, Alifia, Diah, or Lela. Come on.
Come on.
Alifia, come on. Would you please punch her with your strike, please?
Oh my God, punch me.
With your opinion. Come on. Come on, Alifia.
I think Nisrina.
She's loving. She's loving.
I think I like to describe something and lebih menghindari angka sih sebenarnya dari awal. So I'm choosing
avoiding number.
Yeah, quantitative method is the better one.
So you are not striking her, but you are giving your approval to her opinion. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Alifia. Next one, Chandra. Chandra, would you please try to give something different from her opinion, from Nisrina's opinion here?
Well, okay then. In my opinion, you can avoid a number, I think. Almost in this life, you use a number to count something. Even when you do some qualitative research, you need to use a statistical pattern to make the data more complex. Well, maybe you don't use the graphic or anything, but almost 98% in this life, we use a statistical data for measuring our research. or anything in this life. And in your daily life, you also encounter a number, like you're counting money or anything. That's for me.
Thank you very much. Good point, Chandra. So, Nisrina, come on. Any word? You cannot avoid numbers, okay? Your life here consists of numbers, right? Come
Yes,
on,
I
any
know.
words?
My
Go ahead.
parents always told that that we are living in numbers, but you know, I am not a math person, and I still prefer qualitative in words. Even though that we have, you know, like in interview we need to presentate the results. That's what I did in my last project. But I think it's still better than using quantitative because God, I just can't express it. It's more
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, Nisrina. Anything else that you would like to convey, Nisrina? No? Or that's enough?
no, enough,
No. Okay.
sir.
Thank you. Next one, who's gonna be the next to deliver their comprehension about qualitative and quantitative research method? Let's go to Chandra or Alifia. Who's gonna go first? Come on.
Alifia, you first.
No,
Okay.
Chandra first.
No, you first.
Okay, come on. Alifia, you have to go first. Come on.
Talking to qualitative and quantitative.
Okay.
My perspective is seems like Hafizh and
Okay,
based on
1 second. I'm not taking same opinions, same kind of, come on, you have to be different. You have different kind of understanding, so you better come with a different kind of opinion. Come on.
okay, my opinion first. I
Okay,
would
come on.
like to talking about the research first. My opinion, research is like a process of knowing new knowledge by scientific process, and a method is the way or strategy or how to analyze the research or analyze something that we want to know.
Okay.
And in research methodology, we have three kinds of research methodology. The first one is, of course, qualitative method, quantitative method, and mixing method. For mixing method is we conduct between qualitative and quantitative methodology to analyze something. And for qualitative is a kinds of research that rely on unstructured or numerical data. It's like describe something or trying to give descriptions of something. And for quantitative data, for quantitative research, the data is rely on, of course, numerical, like I said before, graphics, statistical number. Yeah, that's all, I think.
That's all, Olivia. Okay, thank
I
you. Very
forgot
What
one.
else?
uh, Sorry, I forgot the point. We have kinds of qualitative research, like case study, of course, the data collection is interview, observations, like that. And then ethnography, narrative, phenomenological, and ground theory. And then for kinds of qualitative research, we have descriptive, correlational, experimental research, and quasi-experimental. That's all.
Okay, thank you very much. So, how was the lecturing session from the Olivia? Yeah, because she is repeating all the learning material, right? Start from
Yeah,
the
yeah,
beginning. Yeah?
yeah.
Okay,
I can
now
see that.
okay, now you're gonna give us here something that against her opinion. Let's start with Hafiz first. Come on.
Always me.
Yeah, come on.
Okay, so you mentioned that qualitative is like a numerical types of research. I mean, that's a point. But in qualitative one, yes, you don't see much numbers, but here is the thing: the chances of seeing numbers are low, but never zero. You know what I'm saying? The
There is
chances are
still
low.
hope.
Yes, it's like even if you not showing or displaying a numbers in your research, but behind the scenes, behind that research, the way you do it in your way, there has to be a minimum kind of numbers. Whether if you are how many that how many person that you are going to interview, how many data are you collecting. I mean that's what numbers are very important part in every research. Knowing that if we don't know any numbers, if we don't rely on any numbers, we don't know what are going to do. I mean, numbers are everything.
Numbers. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Hafizh. That was the
Yeah,
perspective from
yeah.
a quantitative lovers, I guess. Yeah.
Wow,
But
master,
now
master,
let me
master, master.
let me elaborate this again.
Okay, come on. What is it?
I'm not really on the quantitative one because I'm
Yeah.
still learning how to do quantitative research. The way you're
Okay.
going to use SPSS, the way you're going to process your data using statistical inferences like formula. I have to learn it again from my last semester. I learned statistics, so I'm not really into the quantitative one, but I still learn a lot about qualitative one. So I guess that's a 50-50 chance that I will learn both.
Thank you very much, Hafiz. Next one, Nisrina. Come on. What about
Actually,
you?
I
Come
have
on.
nothing to go against her because I kind of agree with her. So I didn't know how to go against her. You know,
Okay.
I agree with her arguments.
Okay. Thank
Me
you then.
too.
You have no opinion to Nur Alifia's comprehension about this subject. Okay, Chandra, come on. Do you have any other things that you want to convey to Nur Alifia?
Encounter Nur Alifia.
Okay.
Sir,
Okay, what is it, Hafiz?
wait before before we go much further, I'm going to make this clear. This is a
Yeah.
friendly critic. Okay, this is
What is
not
it?
a. It is a friendly critics.
Yeah.
I know that.
It is a
I know
fair
that.
one.
As always, as always.
Okay,
Always
okay.
been that.
I know that. I know that.
Yeah,
Okay. Thank you, Hafiz. Next one. Come on.
yeah.
Um, but let me say something. I'm not an quantitative lover. I'm very didn't like math, but I cannot I cannot pick a wrong side in this life because we need to face numbers. Maybe yeah, like in my previous statement, almost 99% we face number in our life, and the chance to not facing the number is only 0.1%. That's only I can say. But uh, even when we doing some research, there will be a number that we use to. Same as Hafiz says, maybe they will be use a statistical data. And yeah, and same with Hafiz too, we need to learn again about XPSS and Excel again. That's from me.
Thank you, Chandra. So now we have two statistical analysis lover here. We have Chandra and then also we have Hafiz. Yeah. So in their opinion, Chandra and then Hafiz here, the research, if you can prove it using a number, the result of statistical analysis, that will be an absolute truth. No discussion on it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, Hafiz and Chandra.
yeah, it's okay, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. And then last one, now it's your turn. Do you have something to say, Hafizh? Because you're holding your microphone.
Now, just keeping things interesting.
Okay, thank you.
I see.
Next, come on, Chandra. You are the last, giving your thought, your opinion about this subject.
Well, in my opinion, qualitative and quantitative research method is quantitative is it's like we explaining a phenomena by collecting numerical data that are analyzed using mathematically based method, and almost all of it using statistic, and it has a relationship with math. But in qualitative research, we just seek and answer question, but about why and how people behave in the way to get the information from the I see, forget again the word.
Okay.
Sorry, let me short it. You seek and answer a question from a people to get an information from them. That's in my opinion. And the instrument we can use many much we can use many instrument like observation, maybe and then interview. For picking a sample, we can use a random sampling techniques or many more. That's for me, I think.
Okay. Thank you very much, Chandra. And then for Chandra's opinion here, I'm not gonna ask you guys to give a response or critics on it, but now you're going to give him an applause, an acknowledgement for his opinion. Okay. Do you understand what I mean? Nisrina, seems like you're confused. Alifia, Hafizh,
I'm still confused, sir.
Okay,
I
you
didn't get
Really, Via?
No, I mean, what kind of acknowledgement?
Can you repeat the point?
Yeah.
What's your point?
Yeah, you have to give Chandra here a compliment based on his opinion. Any kind of compliment will take. Come on.
Oh.
Okay, come on. So the first, I'm asking for the comment, reaction, and then second, I'm asking you guys to give the critics, and then now you have to give him a compliment for his opinion. Come on.
Yeah.
Who's gonna go the first here? Who's gonna be the first?
Alifia.
Come on. Alifia. Alifia, come on.
Yeah, Alifia.
Okay, Alifia.
Just say it.
Astagfirullahaladzim. Hafizh first.
Come on.
Oh, it's me. I'm bored. Come on.
Okay, you may start with Chandra. You're handsome, and then I like your opinion. That will be okay. That's the compliment. Come on. You don't have to. Zaki is not here. He's not joining.
Hell.
Come on, Alivia. Alivia.
Chandra. I don't know. Actually, I didn't get the Chandra's points.
Okay. So you don't get it. Oh my God.
Chandra,
So
can you repeat?
No repetition. I'm asking you a compliment and then you're asking.
Okay, next one. Next one.
Next, Nisrina. Nisrina, come on. You gotta give an acknowledgement or a compliment or a thumbs up for his opinion. Come on. No? Elaborate. Give us an elaboration of his opinion. Come on.
Chandra's opinion is very statistical because he's using, percentage 0.% what from the search, and I think that's just
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Nisrina. And then last one, Hafizh. Come on, Hafizh, your time.
So, from my point of view, your explanation is, I mean, it's well structured. The way you mention human
Okay.
behavior, and then using statistical like 0% you use number. I think that's a very, what is it, a very detailed one. If I had to say, that's a good one.
Okay. That's all, Hafiz? No
Yep,
more?
that's all. No more.
No more. Thank you very much, guys. Okay,
As for the compliment,
that was that was our discussion for today, and then let me make it clear to you guys. Okay, when you guys try to conduct a research here, it is not about like and dislike. Yeah, it is not about, okay, I hit number. Okay, I love to talk. I better use a qualitative. I love to count something. I'm gonna use quantitative. No. Yeah. When we try to make the research here, we start with what kind of problem that we are going to solve. Yeah. So it is not your decision. Okay, I'm gonna focus on this qualitative one. I'm gonna focus on this quantitative one. But no, focus on what kind of the problems that you guys try to solve. Okay, start with that one, because the basic thing in doing research here, you have to understand your problems. Yeah, start from the problems, and then you're going to find out what are the best, what kind of the alternative solution that you can provide to solve the problem. Yeah, and then the solution here, okay, one more time, it can be in a form of qualitative research, or it can be in a form of quantitative one. One more time here, based on what kind of problem that you are going to deal with while conducting the research. Is it clear now, guys?
That's
Chandra,
clear enough.
That's clear.
Nisrina, Alifia.
Yep.
Okay, and then before we are going to end this session, now I would like to ask you guys here to give us a closing statement. Yeah, to give us a closing statement for your friend who's not attending the class. Yeah. Now I'm gonna give you one more time.
Come
Yeah.
on.
You can anything. Yeah. Because it's really, what I can say, it's really this, no, that's a wrong kind of word, I guess. It's really annoying. That's okay, I'm gonna choose annoying. Yeah. In total, how many of you here as a 2018, around 90 or 91 or 92
Yeah.
in
I haven't
total?
looked at it. I haven't looked at
Yeah.
the data.
Okay, let's assume that you guys here, it's 90. And then you guys made me wait 1 hour or 2 hours, right? Only to join the class, yeah? And then now you better give a statement that will attract your friends to join the next class, and then to join our next meeting, or to have some kind of motivation while joining the class. Okay? Who's gonna go first? That will be our ending of this session.
Alifia, Alifia,
Come on, Chief, you first.
Okay,
Alifia,
come on.
no,
Who's gonna go first? Come on.
Alifia, I
Who's gonna
saw
go
you have many
Alivia
points.
there. Okay, Alivia gonna go first. Come on, Alivia. Your statement. So your friend gonna attend the next meeting. They will have the spirit to join more meeting or any. Come on.
My statement, you will regret it.
That's all.
Regret. Really?
my God.
What is it? Regret?
Actually, oh my God. My best friends is, I think, afraid of you, sir.
Afraid of me?
Yep.
Wow. Am
I
I
don't
too
know.
scary for that? And then, what else?
Yeah, that's all. They will regret it to see your face.
And then,
Yep,
what else?
enough.
That's enough?
Yep.
Okay. Choose
Next.
one from your friend here. Next. Who's gonna go next?
Hafiz.
Okay, Hafizh. Thank you,
Okay,
Hafizh.
Hafiz,
It's your
next.
turn, Hafizh. Give us
I do.
your wise word, Hafizh. Come on. For your
That's a
friend.
revenge. That's a revenge from Alifia. That's a straight revenge. Okay, so here it is. What is it? Do not be afraid to learn anything.
Yep.
And then if you're still shy or not confident enough, build up your confidence within yourself. And that's it.
Okay. Thank you. That's all, Hafizh?
That's all.
Okay.
That's all.
Short, clear. Yes, simple and clear. Thank you very much, Hafizh. Next one, Hafizh. Who's gonna go the next? Come on.
Nisrina.
Nisrina. Okay.
I'm
Nisrina,
lost.
come on.
Okay.
So hey guys, my friends, please join the next class, okay?
Must.
That's all? Really?
That's pathetic.
Very pathetic, I think.
Please join, guys. Don't forget it. Don't make your lecturer calls you, okay? No, actually,
Reality,
this
okay.
class is enjoyable enough for you to stay in the room. So just don't be afraid and, you know, join. Join
Okay.
us.
Are you really?
Join us.
Join us and
Join
be part
us.
of our family.
Nisrina, I
Be
love
part
your
of our
point
family.
when you said this one. Don't make your lecturer call you. Okay. It's mean that you realize that I try to call some of your friends only to join the meeting. Yeah? That's really annoying to do. Thank you very much, Nisrina. Last one now from Chandra, please. Chandra,
Well,
from C
for
class.
me,
Wait a
okay,
second, Chandra. Before you're going to give us your
closing
last
statement.
statement, Hafiz, you are from B or A class? B class,
I
yeah?
am from B class.
B class. Nisrina from what is it? From B or C?
B.
B. Alifia from?
Eyeing.
Okay, so we got 2B, 1A, and then 1
Yep.
1C. C.
C.
One
Okay,
C.
C class.
Use-
Okay, come on.
Okay.
Come on, Chandra.
For my mate in my class, well, you miss all the fun, I think.
Okay.
You miss all the fun in this meeting, and you'll be regret as you bored on your home. Well,
Okay.
don't make your don't make your lecturer call you again. Really, if you know the expression, maybe you will get lost.
Okay. Thank you very much. That's all, Chandra.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, and then Hafizh, Alifia, and then I have no idea why the rest of you, Diah, also left, and then Lela.
The signal, sir.
Okay,
The
signal.
connection.
Okay.
Connection.
Okay. Thank you very much. And then now, before we are going to end this session, I want you to please give us your best smile. Come on, your best kind of pose while taking a photo shoot. Come on, because I'm gonna take a screenshot on it. Come on, come on. 3, 2, 1. Ready, guys? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Thank you very much. One more time. 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Come on, say cheers. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thank you very much. Okay, that's all for today, guys. that's all for today. And then hopefully after this one, I'm gonna upload this video to our YouTube, and then I hope your friend gonna watch it. I'm gonna ask them to, you have to leave the comment for your attendance list. I guess that will work. If you're not going to comment, so
Join us.
yeah.
Join us.
Is it okay, Chandra, Hafizh, Alifia,
That's okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm gonna ask them.
That's far from okay. That's bright green, sir.
Okay, please can give a comment, and then that will be your attendance list. Thank you very much, guys, for joining me today, and then I really appreciate that you attend this meeting. Yeah, and
Yep.
then
You're
I'm
welcome.
really sorry also that our plan here, it should be streaming on YouTube, but because of the technical problem, what can we do? Because you guys already wait almost 30 minutes, right? And then
Yeah.
it got really annoying also for you guys. And then last one, I'm gonna say, have a great day, and then stay safe. Yeah, stay safe and stay healthy. And one last thing, stay awesome for Chandra, Hafizh, Nisrina, and Alifia. That's all for today. And then the last, I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See ya.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
Sir,
warahmatullahi
let me
wabarakatuh.
see
Thank
your
you,
hand.
sir. Thank you so much.
Join us in English department
Be
program.
part of our family.
Be part of
Hopefully-
ESA.
Yeah, be part of ESA, and then be part of our great English department. Okay. See you guys. And then what's wrong with Nisrina? Nisrina.
She cannot hold her laugh, I think.
Thank you. I'm gonna end this meeting then. See you guys for the next meeting. Okay. Bye bye.